Hello everybody, my name is Kim and welcome back to Reps Unboxing. Today I'm here at Mid Valley Southkey Johor Bahru at the Royal Selangor, and I'm gonna pick up my Iron Man limited edition number 2. So don't go away and follow me, okay? Let's go.
Oh shit.
Hello, is my Iron Man here yet?
Yeah, sure. So just right over here. Just reach right to there. So this one is your items, Iron Man. So in front of the box. So this one is
What? Certificate. This will be the certificate. Okay, so they have 300 pieces worldwide. I got number 2. Okay.
This one is the Iron Man limited edition Mark II, and this one has the limited edition number. So 300 pieces for the worldwide.
Okay, so I number 2, right?
Yes, you are the number 2.
Okay.
This one. And so let me show you the detailing for all the armors. So especially on the hands, in front here, the head, and also the core is very detailing. And even this one, the face here, also is all according by accurate by the comics. So this one is the behind here.
Can I take a look at it?
Sure.
Okay, so this is the Mark II, yeah. So the Mark II Iron Man, okay, by Tony Stark, Marvel, and Royal Selangor. So as you can see, they did a really good job on the details, especially the core here, they call it the arc reactor. Okay, so underneath this figurine will be the Marvel and the Royal Selangor logo. Okay, so behind will be it's 300 worldwide, and I got number 2. Okay, so when you zoom out, so this is how it looks like, the Iron Man Mark II by Royal Selangor and Marvel, guys. Okay, so if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, comment, and leave the notification, and see you again next time, guys. Okay. I'm bringing home my Royal Selangor Mark II Iron Man.